Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam Minute course. At that point, I'm gonna click on here. Maybe we should turn to the isometric perspective, and then I can change the C plane, and then we can turn to the transform and rotate options. At that point, I can turn to the top view to be able to select all my geometry, and then selection button. I can turn to the isometric view. We can change our C plane again. So that's one is better for us. Oops, sorry. I can write my degree here. It's a 1. Move or copy. And then we can use the clear color button. And then we can turn to top view again. After that, we should copy here and paste it here. And then we can click here, right mouse button, and delete all points. And then we can add our new point here. I can delete that one. This is my arc, and this is my point, this is my point, and this is my center of my arc. This is also center of arc, and then this is also my point. And then we can click here and we calculate it. If you select all that stuff here with isometric perspective, you're gonna see that all the drilling operations step by step. Okay, thank you very much. I really appreciated your interest.